When I first walked into the recruiting office and I was thinking about going into the infantry, my recruiter was an infantry Marine. And he told me, like, well, what I do is very important, obviously, but what you do is you touch hearts and you mend lives and you heal people's souls. My name is Sergeant Tyler Hatmaker. I'm a Marine musician with the Marine Forces Reserve Band, and I played the trumpet. When did I first get my passion for music? It was really when I had my very first trumpet lesson back in the summer before 6th grade. I took a couple lessons, and from the very first note, I was like, this is it.
From the beginning of early humanity, there have been two primal art forms that are just innate to who we are. One is dance and one is song. And without both, those cultures don't thrive.
I first heard about the MEOP program when I walked in the recruiting door, and I didn't even know about the Marine music program. And the recruiter heard that I was a music major in college, and he's like, well, why don't you do this? And got the audition packet and started practicing it.
The MEOP is the Musician Enlistment Option Program. And what that allows is our country's best and brightest to serve their country as a musician, as an instrumentalist within one of our 10 Fleet Marine bands.
I met Tyler when I was moving into my office at Lee University. He was an eager, wide-eyed, bushy-tailed undergraduate who loved to play the trumpet. And he was really excited to meet me. I was the new trumpet professor there. Tyler had all the raw materials that a music professor dreams of a student having. One thing he didn't have in his toolbox was follow-through. And when he joined the Corps, something clicked. He, I think, realized that via this intense responsibility that his gifts were worth following through on.
You get to come back here, kind of see some familiar things, some familiar faces. It's been a really cool thing. The most fulfilling part of being a Marine musician for me is the connecting with people. We are the face of the Marine Corps for a lot of the American public, and get to talk about Marine Corps experiences and share things that we have in common. It's been really, really special.